So why do you want this job?
Well, I have always felt passionately about not starving to death.
If you're getting stuck building VEO3 JSON prompts by yourself, so I built a tool that will help you to create a perfect VEO3 JSON prompts in seconds. So go to the link in the description. It's absolutely free, no login, no catch. If you just want to try that out, we have presets available as well, as you can see on the here. And if you click on it, for example, logo product reveal. So this is something which you want to try, and click on generate JSON. It will have a generated JSON file here. And it also have a download JSON if you want to just download that for yourself. And second is the dialogue. If you want to generate, as VEO3 has the capability to generate, and you see viral videos generated by VEO3, and it's crazy good, and it will help you to create that prompt. This is a generic prompt, just no advertisement, no dialogue based prompt. This is for generic uses, for example, landscapes and wildlife videos and something like that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, because so many good things are coming up in the future. So let's get started. So first will be the advertisement. It can be a product reveal, it can be a logo reveal, it can be anything you want. For example, if you want a logo reveal for your videos or for your brand or website, you can simply use this. But we are going to create a brand reveal. So brand X. So this is very basic example, but you can put your own image to it. Logo to product transform. I want to add it as a product reveal, just like that. And it has a base styling. If you want to choose any other styling, you can also choose that. I want to be a cinematic meme, because I want a brand X will be my beverage brand. So I want that to be base style, which will be cinematic and gaming 4K. That's it. And the aspect ratio, obviously, but if you want going to use in Gemini, then it won't matter that much. But again, if you want to through API, then this will be a perfect way to start. So there's a duration. So obviously our duration is maximum about 8 seconds. So most of you will be using a free version of VEO3 in Gemini app. This will be your best bet. Second is scene type. Here you can select your scene type, which is product reveal for us. You can add your logo animation, montage, one click continuous take if you want to showcase your brand like that. And there's an environment transform as well. Here is a description. You need to add the basic description, how you want your ad to work. For inspiration, you can go to Pinterest. You can search for product reveal ads, and it will list out so many of it, and you can add your own product to it. For example, beverage or a bottle, just like that. So you can take inspirations from anything here. So this will be my energy drink. So this will be brand X is my energy drink. So I will be using that energy drink bottle brand X, emerging from the ground, middle of the road, light street, no light street, light pop in the end, and dark black color water splashes. That's it. So there is a camera setup. Camera setup should be the angle you want to produce. You can add the fixed, medium, short, and slow push, or you can one angle only. So I want it to be fixed, low angle. That's it. So there is a lightning, soft gradient lightning, soft gradient red. So there will be environment. So infinite white studio space. So I just want to be street, night street, helicopter flying around. I just want that. No humans, no unrealistic physics, no text. That's great. But I don't want to add this no unrealistic physics, because it's obviously the unrealistic, because a bottle is popping out of from the ground. So it's obviously unrealistic. I just want the new humans. That's it. I don't want it to be enabled. I want to disable no text, because I'm not using my own product. But if you are using your product in the brand product here, you can simply put that here as the image. That's it. Okay. But this is for the explanation. So I will be using that as a brand X. So next will be key elements, brand logo, brand elements will be brand and bottle, dark black color, red branding, and key elements will be water, groundbreaking, cracks, and product hero shot, yes, and soft shadows, black color, drink splashes, minimal reflections. So these are product hero shot. That's it. And the keyword tags you want to use, logo reveal, minimalistic, or so this will help Gemini to focus on these things if you want to do that way. So here will be only the product reveal. We are done with the advertising basics of the video part. Now it comes to the audio and effects. I have added this into percentages. This is from 0% to 25%. We have 8 seconds, and 25% will be at second. Okay. So first will be the vibe. So energetic. So breaking, when ground breaks, continues, and then will be lightning sound. And what else? Helicopter sound. And last will be pop bottle, pop water splash sound. That's it. And we are done with our prompt. Just click on generate and copy that. And let's go to our pro account. So there you go. And now I will select the video. And here you can select your product photo if you want. And this is it. Just go through it and press enter. So wait for the output. And there you go. We have got our video ready. It breaks the ground and pop up just like that. Brand X. So this is because I haven't added the can part, but you have to specifically add that can part because I have just added the bottle. So it created the black bottle with the brand X. If you provide your own picture, then your exact product image will appear just like this. So this is very simple example. The next is dialogue based. So dialogue based is either one character, two character, and three or more characters talking to each other just like that. Here let's go to some memes. So here is the inspiration, just random inspiration I just got from the internet. So interview will ask, why do you want this job? It will say, I have always felt passionate about not starving to death. So here I will use the different character like a monkey. Okay, like a monkey, or you can use any character you want. This is just for demonstration. Going forward, the scene title will be interview, realistic, warm interview setup, like the real interview. If you're using inside Gemini, it won't matter much. Also the duration. So there is a scene description here. So here I want to add the scene description. In the scene description, you need to add vague characteristics, just vague description. Just like here, I have said the two characters. One will be interviewer asking, why do you want this job? Second, the interviewee is a monkey dressed in a professional suit, and he says, I have always felt passionately about not starving to death. So obviously we have a time constraint here. Just 8 seconds is the maximum. So first character, young professional with glasses, and second, monkey dressed up in a professional suit, and there is an environment and office cabin. So camera setup first on her and then on monkey, just like that. And the lightning, office ambient light lit room. Okay, and negative prompt will be no text overlay, no unrealistic expressions, no interruptions. I just want the dialogue script sarcastically, and here is the dialogues like that. Nothing else we need. So there is background music. So if you want that background, I don't want no music. So ambient sounds, quietly, quiet office, warm in office. So there's a keyword conversation, interview setup, warm. That's it. I don't think we need anything else. So I will just copy this and paste that in a Gemini. No photo we need. And let's wait for the output. Okay, so there you go. This is about how to create a VEO3 JSON prompt using this tool. The third is generic one. If you want more inspiration, we have 50 plus VEO3 JSON prompts that includes various type of videos. You can get that on promptslove.com. Analyzing these prompts, you can improve your own prompting way better. It takes practice to get your perfect prompt. This tool will help you out. How did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment box. There's much more coming in the future in AI. Do subscribe to this channel for more. If you want to learn more about the AI prompting guide, we have a course coming up for you. For that, you need to subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video then. Bye bye.